This is the 8th question of TMUA exam year 2023 paper 1. Question says a triangle XYZ is called fun if it has the following properties. Angle YXZ is 30 degree, XY is equal to root 3A and YZ is equal to A, where A is constant. For a given value of A, there are two distinct fun triangles S and T, where the area of S is greater than area of T. Find the ratio of area of S is to area of T. So area of the bigger triangle is to area of smaller triangle. So let me try to first draw this triangle. So it says, I'll draw one of the triangles. From there, we'll see what we can do. So this angle is given to be 30 degrees. So it is X, it is Y, it is Z. Angle YXZ is 30 degree. XY is equal to root 3A. XY is equal to A root 3. And YZ is equal to A. YZ is equal to A. Let this ZX is equal to K. Okay. Let this ZX equal to K. So first of all, we have to find K here. And then based on those K values, there will be two triangles. So K can hold two values. Okay. So K can hold two values, we'll have to find both the values. And then depending on the values of K, we'll get the areas of the triangle. So to find that, we'll apply the cosine rule. So what is the cosine rule? Cosine rule is if I have a triangle ABC and opposite A I have small side A, opposite angle B I have small side B, and opposite angle C I have small side C. Then cosine rule says small a square is equal to small b square plus small c square minus 2 into small b into small c times cos of A. This is the cosine rule. Okay. So over here, if we apply the cosine rule, I know this angle. So side opposite this, square of this I will have to start. Because here, if it is cos of A, side opposite this is small a, which is this side. So I know this is 30 degrees. So side opposite this is YZ, which is small a. So here I can say A square is equal to sum of squares of these sides, which is first of all A root 3 square, A root 3 whole square, plus this is K square, minus 2 into A root 3 into K into cos of 30 degree. This is after applying the cosine rule in this triangle. So from here what we get is A square is equal to A root 3 whole square is 3A square plus K square minus 2 into A root 3 into K cos 30 degrees under root 3 by 2. So this 2 goes away. So from here I get A, this I'll write as 0. A square comes on this side. So 3A square minus A square is 2A square plus K square minus root 3 into root 3 is 3 or 3 into A into K. 3 into A into K. This is I have a quadratic in K. A is fixed. A is not a variable here. So it is a quadratic in K. So what is the quadratic? That is K square minus 3A times K minus 3A times K plus 2A square plus 2A square is equal to 0. This is a quadratic in K which will give me two values of K. So if I get two values of K, I get two possible triangles. Okay. And then I have to find ratio of areas of the triangles. So here, what is the values of K? K will be minus B, which is minus of minus 3A, that is 3A, plus minus under root of B square, which is 9A square, minus 4 into A is 1 here and C is 2A square, divided by 2 into 1, which is 2. So K is equal to 3A plus minus 9A square minus 8A square, that is under root of A square. Under root of A square is mod A, but A is already positive, we know, because A equals to length of a side. A cannot be negative. So mod A equals to A only. So under root A square is A. This becomes 3A plus minus A divided by 2. So the two possible values K1 is 3A plus A by 2, which is 4A by 2, which is 2A, or K2 is 3A minus A, which is 2A by 2. So it is A. So either it is 2A or it is A. Now I have to find the ratio of the areas. So first of all, if I have this triangle here, There is A under root 3A. This is 30 degree and this is K. What is area of this triangle? That is half into K into A root 3 into sine of 30 degree. This is the area of the triangle. Okay. Because area of the triangle is also written as half into product of two sides into sine of the included angle between them. Now K has two values. So one of the area will be K1, other one will be half into K2 into A root 3 into sine 30 degree. Now I have to find the ratio. That means I divide both of them. So if I divide both of them, half and half goes A root 3 goes sine 30 goes. So what I am left with is K1 upon K2. K1 is the larger one because we have to find a ratio in the form of area of S to area of T. So K1 is the larger one. K1 has two values, 2A and A. K1 has two values, 2A and A. So K1 is the larger one, K2 is the smaller one. So the ratio of area will be K1 upon K2, which is 2A upon 2. Sorry, 2A upon A. 2A upon A, which is 2 upon 1. So if it is 2 upon 1, the ratio is 2:1. Answer option B is